Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing your in-depth read. Let's see how you're feeling, Pisces, now, how your person is feeling, and what action can we expect now in this connection. And these are general collective readings, Pisces, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Pisces, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Pisces, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, so newbies, I'm setting down 2 sets of cards. One side is for you, one side is for your person. And in the center, I'll have your dialogue message cards and your action cards. And for me, this is person A, Pisces. This is going to be person B. If this is your story, you'll immediately know which side you resonate best with. All right. Action card for person A, action card for person B. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Pisces, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So Pisces, big transformation. Maybe there's been an ending in this connection, but here I do see somebody who's wanting to have a complete overall end the past hurts and maybe just re-begin. Okay. Alright, from where person A is concerned, Pisces, I see somebody is feeling very ungrounded. Okay, 1 second. Why is that, Spirit? Why does person... Okay, I'm not going to clarify these cards. I know you guys are waiting for the dialogue message cards. Let's do those first and then we'll start clarifying these 2 sides. So, Pisces and their person, Spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Pisces and their person. Pisces and their person. If they could say something to each other, thank you. Let's take a couple more from here, Pisces. Pisces and their person. If they could say something to each other. Pisces and their person. All right. Okay, so Pisces, your first card here says, they keep saying you're coming back, but you're not here yet. Are you coming back? Somebody's been waiting. This is person B, who's been stuck and waiting for maybe a choice to be made because they do feel a very strong connection with person A. And saying, hey, they keep saying you're coming, people like us maybe, but you're not here yet. I keep reading our old text messages. Somebody is really waiting, feeling a loss of love. It's hard because we can't seem to work out our differences. Will you marry me? This is what's coming from person A, I feel. I just saw the Hierophant right here, which is a commitment card. Okay, let me not get you very excited right now. Let's continue. So this card says, will you marry me? I honestly don't think anyone will love you more than I do. Just saying. I have to improve myself and my life to feel worthy of you. I'm happy for you. All right, Pisces, if these are resonating, let's start with our reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card, and let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Healthful. I think this is for person B and person A. I think you both, need to work on your emotional health at this time. I do see 2 people who kind of losing hope, but don't worry. You found it. I don't know what you found. We'll figure out by the time we reach the end of our reading. But right now, your most important message is to take care of yourself. mentally, physically, spiritually, in all ways. Okay, so now I'm going to start with person A. Person A has the is feeling like the King of Pentacles in reverse and the Ten of Cups in reverse. Now they're feeling very ungrounded. Maybe they are, yes, they feel, why they're feeling ungrounded is because they feel their person doesn't love them anymore, is no longer giving them any love and attention. They're not being able, you guys are not being able to work out your differences. So person A is feeling kind of insecure, I would say. Ten of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Ten of Cups in reverse. Ten of Cups in reverse. Yes, they feel they've lost their power. Maybe at one point they felt they had full control over person B. Now they feel, oh my God, I'm not emotionally happy, because earlier I think person B was pouring into person A all the time, keeping them happy. Now since person A has lost person B's love, they feel, now they're feeling unhappy. Now they don't feel as strong as they used to. Now they feel like an emperor in reverse. Normally an emperor in reverse would be a dictator, but in this clarification, I feel this is the kind of person who's feeling that they've lost their power. They've lost their power because their main power came from the love that they were receiving from person B, but it's kind of been exhausted. Person B has been exhausted of giving, and finally I think person B said no more. And this once person B pulled their love away, now person A is feeling unhappy, emotionally very, very empty. All 10 cups are in reverse for them now. No wonder the healthful card came here. They need to take care of their emotional health. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to be feeling this way? Four of Cups and the Page of Wands. There was no offer extended or given. They felt, I'm not ready maybe to take on a responsibility. This would be too much for me to handle. And while so much of delay was happening in this offer to come, towards person B, maybe things kind of dwindled down. It made their person get more and more angry with them. It made person B feel very upset. And I think person B probably called judgment on them and said, all right, if you can't make a decision, if you're not going to give me that offer, then I'm going to take a judgment call. I don't want to work with you, and I'm going to stop now even messaging you or texting you or giving you any of my attention. Yes, and here this is what happened. Then all that passion, all that excitement that person A was thriving on, all based on person B's love, all their attention, it came to an end. Now, how does person A see this connection, Spirit? Or what do they want from person B? Hierophant. Person A wants their wish fulfillment back. They know who's the person who can really make them happy. I think they have broken a lot of promises in the past, and they've come across as very immature. But now they want to come and reveal all the secrets that they've kept. Whatever was hidden in the dark or whatever secrets they had, they want to come and express everything to person B about why they never offered. Maybe there was gossip going on, or maybe there were other people who were filling their ears, maybe friends or family. Person A now is thinking of commitment. The only reason why person A wants to now come and express themselves and be open and honest is because they don't want this chapter to end. They don't want to lose person B for good, because they know person B is the one who makes them the happiest. 9 of Cups. 9 of Cups, Spirit. 9 of Cups. Yes, if person A has been pulled in two different directions, let's say, if they were unable to make up their mind in the past, now person A has realized that now I know what direction I should go to which makes me happy. They know. This is the star. This is the guiding light which takes you to the right direction. I think this person has been kind of evaluating which way to go, but I think now they're realizing that it's person B. Am I right, Spirit? Yes, because they are feeling left out in the cold, because person B is doing exactly what person A did to them. Maybe earlier they were trying to control what would happen, and now that the love has been pulled back, now person A has been feeling neglected and feeling abandoned by person B, and they desperately want to return now. They feel person B pulling away from them or turning their back on them or something, and now that little shock of losing person B's love has made them realize, like if you pulled in two different directions and something happens to make you realize which direction is the correct direction, and person B's pulling away of love has left such a void in their life that now they've realized that nothing else is making them happy. No amount of pursuing money, business, work, material things is ever going to satisfy them as much as being with person B. Let's see person B, how do you feel? What action person A is going to take, I'll open later. Let's move on to person B's end. So person B, the Lovers and the Hanged Man. Okay, see, Lovers is clarified by the Lovers in reverse, which means, yes, there's two meanings this can have. Either this person B did have a lot of attraction, they knew this was a very strong soulmate kind of a connection, and now they feel that it's now ended, or they should end it, or something has really come which has stagnated this connection. Or this could also mean that person B is saying, I'm no longer going to live in indecision. I want somebody to make a choice and a decision. And if that choice and decision is not made, then I'm also going to take a stand now. I'm not going to move towards you till you make a choice. Hanged Man Spirit? Yes, they feel that they've been the only one in this connection. They feel they've been just one person who's been stressing, who's been thinking, who's been worried, who's blindfolded as to whether this connection is ever going to move, what direction are we going to. All person B is saying, I'm not going to move now till you speak the truth. I want truth, clarity, I want honesty. So this person is not budging from their stance now. You either come to me correct, speak your truth, because this is what you put me through. I just keep thinking of every scenario, not knowing what's really going on in person A's mind. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? They were left waiting, I think. Person B was waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting till they kind of lost hope in this love. Maybe this is not true love, they said to themselves. Maybe there is no love that person A has for me. Why would they make me wait so much? Three of Wands, Spirit. Three of Wands. For person B, what happened in the recent past? Yes, see, Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups is clarified by the Ace of Cups. Feeling totally unloved, feeling drained out of all the love that I think person B was the only one who was pouring into person A and this connection. They felt totally depleted, and no wonder now again I'm seeing this healthful card. Person B is emotionally gotten drained out. Why? Because they kept going battle after battle after battle, and bruised and damaged, and they tried it many times, trying one more time, but till it came to a point where I think person B got totally exhausted. This is exhaustion. Ace of Cups in reverse twice, and the Nine of Wands is, I can just read exhaustion, nothing else. Exhaustion of waiting for somebody else to do something or make a decision. Ace of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Ace of Cups in reverse. Yeah, somebody was never given that honor the honor that they deserved, the position they deserved. There was no growth, there was no fertility, there was no abundance being offered. There was nothing that made person B feel in a position of strength. And I think it's come to a point where person B is so exhausted that they rather live in peace than live in conflict over waiting and, So how does person B now feel about person A or the connection? They feel say that I have the Emperor and the Empress in reverse. This is how person B is feeling. We had such a strong connection. We could have been a power couple together. But my person, they were such a dictator. They just wanted to control everything. I mean, knowing how powerful our union was, Emperor and Empress in reverse. So why does person B now see person A as the Emperor and Empress in reverse, Spirit? Why are these cards here? Because no balance was brought into this connection because of the lack of commitment. They feel my person never ever brought this connection into a harmonious place where, a commitment was there. Not saying marriage, but at least they could have said that, yes, we are together now. We're going to let the world know, so I could feel secure where I was. But my person was always kind of in this kind of a stance of, my way or the highway. Empress in reverse. What do you want to say? Empress in reverse. Yes, the Empress is saying, I know what I bring to the table. I know what I bring to the table. Nobody could have loved them more than I could have loved them. This card came out as well. Nobody could have loved you more than I love you, right? So this person is saying, I know what I bring to the table. I know my own worth. All I wanted from my person was an equal partnership. Just an equal give and take. That I give you love, you give me love, and I feel safe and secure in this connection. But they never gave that to me. They made me feel like the Empress in reverse, as if I wasn't worth it. So now person A, back to you. Will you take any action towards person B? 5 of Pentacles in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Why is that an action? Why is that an action that person A will take towards person B? They're feeling very stuck right now. As much as they want to come out of this feeling of feeling abandoned and stuck and whatever, they in their mind, they feel it's already over. Right now, they're having a little bit of a pity party. Pisces, if this is you, don't hate me. But yes, this person is having a pity party. Oh my God, I've lost my connection. I don't have love in my life anymore. I don't know what to do to... They're having some bad luck, I think, as well. They don't know how to revive this connection. So, no action, Spirit, or will they finally take an action? Person A, will you take any action? Come on. Right now, they're a little worried. They're worried that their person is now single and is doing maybe better than them, or earning well, or looking good. They are a bit afraid to approach person B because I think person B, you could be glowing. You could be looking very happy and self-sufficient in your own life. So person A is stuck because they probably feel they can't say anything to you now. Yes, this person is kind of debating how to get to you now. This may take a little time, Pisces. Don't expect this person to come back tomorrow. You continue to thrive because, you are here glowing and whatever. Person A is kind of going back and forth in their mind to how to now approach the new you. You've become bigger and better and more beautiful, I think, or you've been taking care of yourself. At least to them, when they see your pictures maybe on social media or ask friends about you, you seem to be glowing, person B. So person A is still kind of debate as to how to get the ball rolling again. So person B, what action will you take? I like this. I think person B is taking a chill pill here. They're looking after their emotional health. They're taking a little breather, taking a little rest here, stepped back from the connection for the time being. Four of Swords for person B, Spirit. Yes, because now person B is suddenly realizing, I do have a lot of options in front of me. Why am I standing around waiting like I was earlier? I don't think I need to wait anymore. I might as well enjoy this time because yes, I am feeling good, I am looking good, and I am single now, so I might as well check out my other options. Am I right, Spirit? Yes, person B is not happy doing that, I would say, but happier than waiting and doing nothing. Any other action, Spirit? They also feel that, the stagnancy has gone on for so long and they don't see person A putting in any effort. They feel the person is not putting any effort. They are very cold and unemotional towards me. They don't make me happy. So maybe it's time for me to spend my time well without them by resting, taking care of my emotional health, and checking out my other options for some time. So yes, for now, I think there is a standstill in this connection till person A can finally come with this proposal which they want to, but they don't want to end this either. So they are thinking about this, but they're wondering how to get the ball rolling again. How do they come back? And what do they say? So that's all I have for you. Yes, they are manifesting. Yes, they are manifesting a complete overhaul of this connection. They want a complete turnaround. They want to work on this connection big time. They don't want to let person B go. They want to hold on to this connection, and they do want to have victory with the two of you. Now maybe it will be too late, I don't know, because person B seems to be glowing. They are coming off as the Empress and the Pre-Empress. So they may just get snapped up before that, I'm not sure. And they should and they shouldn't. I would recommend don't wait. Don't wait. One life, each minute, each second is precious, person B. If somebody doesn't respect you or doesn't have the balls to come towards you, enjoy your today. If they do come tomorrow, we'll take a call then, right? All right. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.